Have you ever wondered what happens when Google decides to push smartphone technology further than ever before? Well, the upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro could be the device that changes everything we expect from a flagship phone. From next-generation AI features to a stunning camera system, a brighter display, incredible performance, and a battery that could finally last all day and beyond, this smartphone is already creating huge excitement. But here's the most surprising part. There's one rumored feature near the end of this video that could make even premium flagship competitors nervous, so make sure you stay with me until the very end. The Google Pixel 11 Pro is expected to arrive with a premium design featuring a refined aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass protection, and a sleek camera bar that has become the signature Pixel look. The phone is rumored to feature a gorgeous 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, ultra-smooth scrolling, HDR support, and an incredible peak brightness that should make outdoor visibility better than ever. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or editing photos, the display is expected to deliver one of the best viewing experiences in the smartphone world. Powering the Pixel 11 Pro will likely be Google's new Tensor G6 chipset, designed specifically to enhance artificial intelligence rather than simply chasing benchmark numbers. This new processor is expected to improve multitasking, gaming efficiency, and battery optimization while making every AI-powered feature feel faster and smarter. Speaking of AI, this is where Google continues to lead the competition. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to introduce even more advanced Gemini AI features, including smarter voice assistants, real-time language translation, AI-powered writing tools, intelligent photo editing, automatic call screening, enhanced spam protection, live transcription, personalized recommendations, and new on-device AI processing for greater speed and privacy. Imagine editing your photos with just a simple voice command or asking your phone to summarize long emails in seconds. That's the kind of experience Google appears to be building. Camera lovers are also in for something special. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to feature a powerful triple camera setup with a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide camera, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of delivering stunning zoom performance. Google's computational photography is already among the best in the industry, and with improved AI image processing, users can expect sharper night photography, more realistic skin tones, cinematic video recording, smoother stabilization, and incredibly detailed portrait shots. Selfie enthusiasts can also expect an upgraded front camera with improved autofocus and excellent video quality for creators and video calls. Battery life is another area where Google is expected to make meaningful improvements. Rumors suggest a battery capacity around 5,000 mAh paired with faster wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging for accessories like earbuds and smartwatches. Combined with the efficient Tensor G6 chip and smarter AI battery management, users could easily enjoy a full day of heavy usage without constantly searching for a charger. The Pixel 11 Pro is also expected to launch with the latest version of Android, offering Google's clean software experience along with years of software and security updates, making it one of the smartest long-term investments for Android fans. Performance should feel smoother than ever, whether you're editing 4K videos, switching between demanding apps, or enjoying high-end mobile games. Google is expected to officially unveil the Pixel 11 Pro around October 2026, following its traditional launch schedule, with availability beginning shortly afterward in major global markets. Pricing is expected to remain in the premium flagship category, but considering the advanced AI capabilities and camera innovations, many users may find it well worth the investment. And now for the surprise I promised at the beginning. Industry insiders believe Google may introduce exclusive AI features on the Pixel 11 Pro that won't be available on older Pixel devices, giving buyers access to a completely new generation of smartphone intelligence that could redefine the Android experience. If those rumors become reality, the Pixel 11 Pro may not simply compete with other flagship phones. It could become the phone everyone else tries to catch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because the biggest Pixel surprises may still be ahead, and you definitely won't want to miss what's coming next.